Hey guys, this is a bit of an unorthodox video, seeing as this is a 4x4 channel and DIY channel. I'm going to be unboxing the Volkano Excite Action Camera. The reason I'm doing that is because we recently acquired it and I could not find any reviews on it on the internet whatsoever. There was one or two guys that put videos up of video from the camera, but that doesn't really help much. So I've decided I'm going to do an unboxing and hopefully enlighten some viewers out there about its capabilities and so on. I'll be doing a review a bit later on, and then we'll really see what it's about. Main thing, the reason for getting it is because it's a 4x4 channel. You need the odd angles, you need those shots that really bring out the experience, especially with DIY. You need a camera that can sit at the odd angles so that you can work comfortably and explain and show what things are about. And a tripod can only get you that far, cell phone can only get you that far. So that's the reason for the action cam. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy it and like it, subscribe, and this coming weekend I'll be making another 4x4 video, and I'll be posting that next week. So stay tuned and let's unbox this thing. Yeah, so this is the Volkano Excite Action Cam unboxing, and at first glance it looks premium, or as far as I know, and let's go see what it's all about. It has 720p camera, 0.3 megapixel still camera, or video, sorry, 720p video. It's waterproof up to 10 meters, 4x digital zoom, which is horrible, and at least it has a wide angle lens. Technical specifications: 1-inch rear LCD screen, CMOS 1.3 megapixel, wide angle lens, video record sound, wonderful, waterproof 10 meters, weight 46 grams. I'm not sure how that compares to the GoPros. Mini USB port, class 10 micro SD card up to 32 gigs. Accessories included: instruction manual, casing, 10 meters waterproof housing, suction mount, helmet mount, strap, handlebar mount, car charger, USB. So yeah, it seems like it has the whole box and dice, and for the price I think that is not too bad. The video quality obviously won't compare to a DSLR or a GoPro or so, but I mean, for the price I think it's sufficient. Alright, let's open up, see what's happening. Alright, so this is the camera itself. Okay. Rather small. Doesn't look too bad. Okay, here's the USB card. Oh, you can do playback, video and camera. Okay, alright. Let's put that guy back. Okay. Let's see what else is there. Instruction manual, charger,